In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog in the Squarespace app. This process is quite simple and a great way to enhance your website with a regularly updated space for sharing news, articles, or updates. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard where you can access all the different areas of your website configuration. On your homepage, you'll notice the Squarespace menu bar on the left side. This bar is essentially your gateway to building and customizing your site. Next, look for and click on the Website section. This is where the core functionalities of your web domain are managed. Clicking here allows you to navigate deeper into the site architecture, taking you to options where you can make various changes and updates to your website's structure. Once you're there, you'll need to click on Pages. This area is crucial because it's where every single page of your site is organized and managed. The Pages section lets you control and customize how your audience navigates through your content. You're going to want to get familiar with this section, especially if you're planning on adding new pages or blogs. After you're within Pages, look for a small plus icon. It's usually easy to spot and is there to add new pages to your site. Clicking this icon will give you a drop-down or a list of different types of pages you can add. This function is wonderfully intuitive, allowing you to envision and execute the expansion of your site's content seamlessly. In the list that appears, click on Blog. Adding a blog page is much like adding any other page, but it enables specific blogging functionalities such as post organization, tagging, and comment integration. Choosing Blog is crucial. It sets up a dedicated space for your thoughts, updates, and creative content to flourish. Once you've selected Blog, you'll now see options related to creating blog posts. Choose a blog post from the templates available. These templates are customizable and allow you to start from a framework that you can then personalize to match your vision and style. Finally, you're going to want to give your new blog page a name. When choosing a name, think of your audience and what will resonate with them. A catchy, relevant name not only helps with search engine optimization, but also generates interest from your audience. Carefully type in the name you've chosen, and that's it. It's all set up. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new blog to your Squarespace site. Remember, maintaining a blog is an ongoing process, so keep your content fresh and engaging. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.